Well, hello my dear students. This is Anup Kumar and now I am going to tell you how can you make bootable pen drive so that without using DVD drive we can format our system using bootable pen drive. Let's start what we have to do. First of all, I am going to insert pen drive and the capacity of pen drive is 8 GB. You can watch it from my computer. So double click on my computer icon. Here you can watch the pen drive is inserted in your computer system. Okay, now close it. Click on start and type CMD in search text box and press enter key. Here DOS window will appear. Now type disk part, okay, and press enter key. It will ask for yes and no. You have to click on yes, and as you click on yes, again another DOS window will appear, and here disk part is a drive where you have to type all the commands. Then what commands you have to type? But I want to tell you, if you have for the students of BCA third year, it is only for the students of BCA third year. If you have changed the path to run the Java program, then if you type on the first window disk part, then your command will not work because you have changed the path. So for the BCA third year students, I want to tell you, if you have changed the path, uh, you have to set the current path. And how can you do it? I am going to tell you. Now close the DOS window. Close. See, click on start button. Here you have to type edit environment, VIRONMENT, edit environment. Here you can see edit environment, edit the system environment variables. You have to click here. A dialog box will appear. Here you can see environment variables button. You have to click here. Now from this window you have to down and select the path. This is path you have already changed to run the Java program. But if the path is changed, you cannot make your pen drive bootable. So I am telling this. Select path, click on edit. Now you have to change the path. And what is path? You can see on the desktop here a notepad, and the name of the file is current path of system. Double click. Now I am going to open it. Look, here is the path. So you have to type the same path carefully in this variable value. Here you can see the insertion point is here in this text box. In this text box you have to type the same path carefully in this text box and click on OK. Again click on OK and again click on OK. After doing this, if you type disk part command on the DOS window, then your command will work. Otherwise it will not work. I think you can understand it. So let's start to make our pen drive bootable. This is the exact current path. I again told you that this is the current path of our system. Close it. Okay students, click on start. Type CMD. Here type disk part. Press enter key. Click on yes. You have already know all the commands. I had already taught you in the classroom. So here you have to type list disk. Press enter key. Disk 0 online, disk 1 online. Disk 0 online and the size of disk 0 is 465 GB. That is indicates it is your hard disk. You have not to do this hard disk anything. Now in the disk 1 online 7014 MB, and this is your pen drive. So you have to work with disk 1. Here you have to type select disk 1, SELECT, select disk space 1. Remember you have to type here select space disk space 1, then press enter key. Here message will display disk 1 is now the selected disk. After that you have to type clean, CLEAN, clean. Press enter key and message will display disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Okay. After that you have to type create partition primary command. Create, CREAT, partition primary. You have to see here the spelling of create is CREAT and E is missing. It is not missing. It is correct word of American Standard. Okay. So you have to type the spelling of create only CREAT. Partition primary. Press enter key. The message will display disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now you have to type select partition 1. Select partition 1, and here you have to also give a space between all the words. Select space partition space 1 and then press enter key. Message will display partition 1 is now the selected partition. ठीक है. Now you have to use the last command, and the last command is active. Okay, press enter key. Disk part mark the current partition as active. Now press exit, enter, and from the first window you have also type exit. Okay, now open my computer. Here you can see the memory partition is not look like as previous. Here all the memory is displaying with for example 25.2 GB free of 15 GB, but here this pen drive is not look like as C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, and it indicates your all the commands have typed properly. Okay, now you have to format this pen drive. Right click, format FAT32. Remember you have to select FAT32 because it is good than NTFS. So I am going to select FAT32 format to format this pen drive. FAT32 and click on start button. Okay. It will take some time to format the pen drive. Wait and watch. Okay, format complete. Now my dear students, click on close button. Here you can see it, the pen drive is look like as all the drives. Okay, now your pen drive has made bootable. Now you have to copy the operating system into pen drive, and I have kept my operating system inside D drive. Here you can see Windows 7 grmculfrer_en. Open it, and this is the main content of operating system. Remember you have to only copy the main content of the operating system. You cannot copy this folder and also this folder. You have to copy the main component of the operating system, then your pen drive will work if you start the system. Okay students, now select all the files and copy it. Go to back, open your pen drive, and now paste all the files in this pen drive. Click on paste. After completing this process, your pen drive has made bootable. Okay, it will take uh, approximately 8 minutes and 30 seconds, but you don't need to watch it. When this process will be completed, your pen drive has already made bootable. So dear students, and when it will work when you start when you restart your computer. When you restart your computer, it will automatically work. Okay students, this is the lesson to teach you how you can make bootable pen drive. Thank you.